Hey guys, so today I want to make a review here with the iPhone 5 with iOS 7.1 beta versus the Samsung Galaxy S4 here with Android 4.4 KitKat, which I just installed, Google Play Edition. It looks extremely clean in terms of the UI. So let's go over the UI here a little bit. So of course, Apple with iOS 7.1 still you still can't have widgets. You can see here with my Samsung Galaxy S4 that I first have a widget here to toggle some various things like screen rotation here. If you don't want to have that enable, I have, of course, I can disable Wi-Fi quick. I can change the settings here for like the browser, and of course if you just go here to the app drawer on your Android smartphone, you should, wait a sec, no, you just hold in, no you don't, oh my god, I'm a retard. Yeah, you just tap there on the screen, and then you can of course just go to widgets and add a bunch of these different random various widgets here. And of course you can download, use a ton of more widgets, especially good here if you are into Google stuff, because you can see there's a lot of widgets here for especially Google stuff like Google Drive. So if you need to go somewhere or anything, I guess this is, no, Google Drive, yeah, it's for it is like Google's drive to store all of your stuff, but very cool there that you can quickly, like, I think you just add a picture or something to Google Drive and it will sync automatically. In Apple is like still they prefer apps, so you have to open up the app and do things like that. It's a little bit outdated, I would say, personally. You have Google Maps, or yeah, if you want to get quick directions here, yeah, let's do a quick little one here. Let's see here what I should I'm just gonna try as an example. I'll never try this one out. Okay, so you can have a quick little widget that you just tap on to get immediate direction to that area. Now, isn't that cool? That is extremely cool if you ask me. And I mean, I'm just showing small things now. I'm just showing small things here. The potential of having widgets. Gmail, you can see a quick preview of everything that's going on. There's a bunch of things. Google Keep, interesting. So it's like a quick way here to, yeah, just a quick way to add notes and everything. If you want to be a power user, I would say that Android with widgets is going to be insanely nice. It's insanely nice. It's insanely nice overall. Now, Apple also has a pretty cool feature if you want to search online or something. Of course, you can see that with the stock version of Android 4.4 here, you do get the built-in Google search widget up there at the top, which is pretty nice stuff. So you can see here pretty quick when I tap on it, that it quickly just brings up it, and you can either talk, what is 2 plus 2? With Google Now.
2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 Publishing is a private company established and owned by statistician and poker player Mason Malmuth.
Well, that's nice. What is 2 plus 2?
Checking.
And of course here, Apple's voice assistant also works very good, actually. It's pretty high-tech quality.
The answer is 4.
And most of the times it's insanely good, Siri, especially with the new edition here. So you can see that you can do so many things. I mean, Apple really, for them, like, Siri should be the place to go to if you need anything, like directions to something, Facebook, Twitter if you want to post something, movies, music, reminders. They want you to basically talk to your phone here, and it is very good, actually. Both works good here. Set alarm at 7 p.m.
Setting alarm. I've set an alarm.
So you can see here that both works, and you can cancel both if you want. And there's just a bunch of different things here you can do. I might go a little bit more in depth in another video, specifically about those search features. Now, both with these two operating systems, if you go down like this, you can see that this is the place in Android, or at least with the stock version of Android here for KitKat, latest version of Android. This is the place to go. You can see like a black theme here, and you will see all of your things. Apple has made it a little bit more flashy that you can see through, and that looks pretty badass here as well. So you have a calendar, the stocks, and tomorrow. So they have a big focus here on the calendar, and then if you do get any notifications and stuff, you just have to swipe here one. And then what you also can do here is you can go to miss notifications. They both kind of works the same, but you do have one addition here up on the Android smartphone to quickly toggle some stuff like brightness settings. Quickly go to settings, Netgear, or yeah, that's my Wi-Fi. And you can see your battery, quick location, and then also if you have a Google Plus account, of course, you can see your little logo there. So it looks pretty awesome. Apple has something called Control Center, which is extremely nice in iOS 7. It looks extremely clean. Also, you can swipe it up. You can even swipe it up in some apps. So you have a quick access to the camera, AirPlay, if you want to stream wirelessly to your Apple TV, the whole display. I've tried it on my MacBook Pros and it looks amazing. You have a quick flashlight here. That sucks for all of those apps that create those apps. You have a quick brightness slider here, finally, that you got in iOS. But if you want to customize it more, I mean, you get some widgets up here as well. If you want to customize it even more total, like how the UI looks, you're gonna get a little bit locked down. We don't even have a jailbreak at the moment, and that kind of sucks. It kind of sucks, and it could probably take some time here before we're gonna see that. One thing both these two devices have also that I find a little bit weird is that when we go to, let's see here, when we go to all the apps, there's no quick way to close all of the apps. Like, yeah, you can use more fingers on the iPhone, but there's no like single button that you do get and like TouchWiz, which I actually find very annoying. You can see this one, okay, this one you can't swipe two apps at the same time, but why don't you just have one app or one tap and then you can close everything? Because I find myself do that a lot. I mean, that's just one of the things that I do. And I mean, with Android, you can really customize the UI even more, even though it looks extremely clean here with Android 4.4 KitKat. You can customize it even more if you want to, and that is extremely nice with different launchers. You can search for a launcher. Nova launcher, so you can see here how you can quickly customize the appearance. You can make your phone look however you want, and also if you want to transfer stuff to your phone, it's going to be way easier. Whatever is like movies or music or media or even other apps, everything's super easy from my experience to just transfer over. You can see here that both have a very nicely updated lock screen that looks pretty cool here on both devices. You can see this one has like a quick load. You just gotta go to the side here, and I also think that you can add widgets. Yeah, you can see quick access here to the camera, which I didn't go more in depth in this specific app in this video, but it's hard to cover everything in just a quick simple video here. You can probably also add more apps here on the side. You can see that you can probably customize this one a little bit more as well, but simple and straightforward lock screen. Apple have also a nicely updated screen here with a quick access to the camera. You can swipe up here if you quickly want to take a picture. And of course, there's different modes like video, square, which is a very nice mode for like Instagram, I think. Panorama mode, which is starting to become pretty straightforward now. Like majority of phones have that when you pick it up. So that is pretty awesome stuff here. So I wanted to make this quick little look here. Overall, I still would say that 4.4 KitKat here on the Samsung variant, I mean, it is still a little bit sharper. Something that I want and like really want to have with Apple is I want them to bring out widgets and also a bigger display, a little bit more freedom. They should definitely try to stay a little bit more up to date here. Because many people like to jailbreak because you can customize your device more. I mean, there's so many tweaks and cool things you can do with your device, but when Apple lock it down, it becomes a little bit boring and straightforward. I mean, we still have the lag there. With the S4 here, I mean, there's so many firmwares and stuff that you can install, and that is something I really do enjoy about Apple. So yeah, quick video about that.